Welcome. Welcome to this moment of mindful connection to nature. To start, I invite you to sit in a very comfortable position. Make yourself as comfortable as you can, with your back tall and upright, and the front of your body soft and open. You may close your eyes or keep them open, as you prefer. Now gently turn your attention to your breath. See if you can start breathing in and out through your nose. Your nostrils filter the incoming air better than your mouth and allow slower and therefore more serene breathing. Now, allow your body to become completely still. The only thing that moves in you is the air that enters and leaves your nostrils. Observe how your breathing happens effortlessly, without you having to do anything. Notice how the air coming in is cooler than the air coming out of your nostrils. Now see if you can slow down your breathing so that the flow of air that comes into your nose becomes thinner. Gradually, the flow of air that comes and caresses you from within becomes thinner and thinner, and your breathing slower and slower. Remember, if other thoughts arrive, and they likely will, simply say, "Not now," and return gently to your breathing and the sound of my voice, with no judgments. Now let's take a moment to envision a few scenarios and contemplate some ultimate beauties of the earth. First, imagine yourself. Imagine yourself in a forest or a park, in a cool morning, taking off your shoes and slowly threading the fresh grass on your bare feet. As you walk, you can even taste the hint of rainwater lingering on the green grass. As you walk, feel the earth beneath your feet. Feel that connection between you and the earth. Now imagine sunlight. Sunlight permeating through the leaves of a tree. Your eyes are attracted by the glowing green leaves. Feel in this moment the sun rays gently warm your skin, cradle your spirit, and lift your mood. Now, focus your attention on just one leaf. Notice the intricate patterns on the edges of that leaf, the unique formation of the veins weaving one day into another. Notice how nature in its complexity exudes wonder and the depths of beauty that at times surpasses the naked eye. Now, feel the breeze crossing your hair. Feel the breeze crossing your hair and gently caressing your skin. It is the same air that sways the tree, creating the beautiful rustling sound in the leaves. The air that carries the seeds on the breeze towards their new beginnings. Now, envision yourself gulping down water after a strenuous activity. taste the cold, cool liquid coming all the way from the rivers as it cools your body and quenches your thirst. Now, imagine yourself going outside after a snowfall. The snow falls so softly that the whole world becomes quiet. The snow sparkles like magic. You find yourself in awe of nature's many offerings, mysteries, and beauties. Everything is beautiful. Everything is beautiful, even yourself. You are in the presence of a kind of ultimate beauty that you perceive here and receive within. Breathe and let the emotions sink in. Now, with a smile on your face, ponder a moment this beauty and visualize all the little things that you can do to support this beauty to which you belong. Visualize all the things that you can do to nourish the beauties of the earth. Visualize and ponder for a moment. Now, washed in beauty and strength, feel yourself being lifted from within, rising to meet the day, committed to moving through each action with beauty and strength. And if at any point you feel unsure or confused, simply return to your breath and remember that there is beauty in every act of bravery and kindness.